Today we are talk about how to create website and earn money. Create a website on your own, customize your site today. Wix.com. Make your move, create your website. So first of all, we are going no coding, get online fast. Simple and fast to build your economic website. All you need are a few steps. Drag the module to the editor, edit the content, save the publish and save and publish your website. It's time saving and easy. Build your unique website with modules. WOPOP provides you with abundant modules and themed template. Module website is an innovative trend with great flexibility, which allows you to integrate elements from various themes. Design one version that adapts to different devices automatically: PCs, mobiles, and tablets. No special skills is needed. Set up your website in few minutes. Drag and drop editor with your professionally designed template. Switch freely among various scenarios and styles. Multiple websites for your international business. WordProp's multi-channel settings support you in promoting your business worldwide and developing more business opportunity. Compatibility with PC, mobile, and tablet device. WordProp all in the editor allow you to edit PC version website, then automatically adjust it to fit mobile phone and tablet view. Advanced coding feature. If you would to like to add advanced function to your website and you have some coding knowledge, simply paste your code to the advanced code module. Get your site funded with SEO, search engine optimization. WordPress makes it simple to get your website found a mainstream search engine like Google. You can customize the SEO setting on each template easily by filling in keywords and tags. Cloud technology platform. SEO friendly, you may set up modified technology and supported by advanced infrastructure that means the need of search engine. It promotes your website on search engine and make it stand out from other websites. Search engine optimization. SEO friendly, you may set up, modify, or create mega tags such as title, description, and OG tags separately for better search engine results. Autofit for various devices. WordPress ensure that your website is compatible with mainstream mobile devices and user friendly with search engine. Now, with hundreds of designer made templates, you can easily customize your website in a few minutes, then promote your business on the internet. Here is the all template. If you need any template for your website, sign up and choose template to start. Sign up and choose a template to start with. Customize the content in the template and make it your. Change the text, image and more. Apply multiple modules as you need. Connect your domain to your website. Connect an existing domain or purchase a new domain, then connect it to your website. Publish your website. Get your website online. Use SEO tool and forms as marketing tool to boost your online presence. Want to learn more? How do I create a free website? Now we will discuss about how do I create a free website. Register as our user for free, then choose a template to start your free website. You can build up a professional website with an hour. It's easy with simple drag and drop operation. No coding or programming knowledge is needed. Wobo provides you with different theme, element and design for your stunning website. Can I create a website without knowing how to code? Can I connect my WordPress website with custom domain? It is easy to build a website with WordPress. Where docs my website store in? Where does my website store in? Is my WordPress website SEO user friendly? How do I make my website mobile how do I make my website mobile friendly? Can I update my website content anytime? Now we are talking about the last option of this. Can I update my website content anytime? Absolutely. You can edit your website anytime after you publish the website. You can also hide the pages if they are unfinished, then released them once completed. Every step is so simple. So, today we are talking about the free website and show you how to make a free website. If you like this video, so please join our YouTube channel and subscribe us.